AI versus human, who really wins? Is artificial intelligence here to replace humans or to make us more powerful than ever? Let's break it down. 1. Speed and accuracy. AI wins, no debate. AI can process millions of data points in seconds. It never gets tired, distracted, or emotional. From medical scans to stock predictions, AI beats humans in speed and precision. But speed isn't everything. 2. Creativity and emotion. Humans take this one. AI can write songs, generate art, and create videos, but it doesn't feel anything. Human creativity comes from emotions, experiences, pain, love, and curiosity. AI copies patterns. Humans create meaning. 3. Learning and adaptability. AI learns fast, insanely fast. But humans learn deeply. We adapt to completely new situations with little data. AI needs training. Humans need instinct. 4. Decision-making. AI makes logical decisions. Humans make value-based decisions. AI can tell you the best option. Only humans can decide what's right. The real truth. No one talks about AI versus human is the wrong question. The real future is AI plus human. Doctors using AI save more lives. Creators using AI reach bigger audiences. Businesses using AI grow faster. AI doesn't replace humans, it replaces humans who don't use AI. Final thought. AI is the brain. Humans are the heart. And when intelligence meets emotion, logic meets creativity, and technology meets humanity, that's when real power is created. Comment AI if you think humans will always stay ahead. Subscribe for more future tech, AI facts, and digital trends. Because the future isn't man versus machine, it's man with machine.